Assalamu alaikum, beautiful people. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope your families are doing great. Today I received this amazing package from Monno Ceramic. They wanted to send it to my home, but I went for myself to receive it. This is a special gift as a present they sent me for appreciation of my hard work. So here is the package. Oh my god, look how beautiful this is. It's written, "Have a blessed 2021." I wish you all a very blessed 2021, of course, for my viewers, my fans, and everybody watching this. Here it's Monno written, and their Facebook page, official Facebook, and their website. That's it. So it's the moment of truth. Let's open it, guys, and see what's inside. The moment of truth. This seems absolutely amazing. Wow. Oh my god, this is a mug. Oh my god, guys, look at this. There is a card for this. Thank you, Monno family. Wow, too good. My channel's name is written on here, Zubair Z Vlogs, on golden, it's chrome. Here there are golden parts. You have to hold it to feel it. Zubair Z Vlogs. Oh my god, this is too beautiful. And what's inside? I think something else is also inside. Wow, wow, wow. They're like surprise, full of surprises. Have a safe and prosperous 2021. I guess something is inside over here. What's inside? Oh my god, they sent me another thing. It's a mask. Thank you guys, I really appreciate this as well. This is a face mask. Should I open it for you guys? Alright, I will show you. Oh, this feels soft and quality material. Wow, this is amazing. Monno, love you guys. A big thumbs up and big shout out to Monno Ceramic. You guys are my favorite. I have no words to thank you enough. Anyway, Monno Ceramic doesn't need any introduction or any description. Their brand is enough for the name and everything. This is mind-boggling. Just look at this, guys. A face mask they send me. This box is absolutely amazing. Even the shopping bag, this is beautiful. And how their presentation, they know how to send gifts. I'm really impressed. Very impressive. Wow, this is high quality material. Have a safe and prosperous 2021. I wish you all the same. Wow, and a beautiful note over here, and in the down part there is Monno branding and my name, Zubair Z Vlogs. Oh my god, I love it, guys. This is so pretty, so gorgeous, absolutely amazing, amazingly made, and this feels really great to hold. I'll keep it for a long time, I hope, and I'll pass it to someone before I leave the world. I don't know, I'm feeling emotional. Thank you guys. I have to say thanks again and again. Thanks, Monno Ceramic. You guys really surprised me, and I'm taking the brand name so many times. I don't know what else to say. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. This is really a special vlog for me. I don't have many golden items over here. Maybe I can match it with my iPhone 12 Pro Max. Alright, this is gold and gold. So look guys how cool it is, like with my phone. And now I have a mug with my name written on it, my channel's name, YouTube channel. This is absolutely amazing, mind-boggling. And wow, this video is getting longer, so I'll end it here. Help someone who is in need. Take care of your family, take care of your loved ones. Be honest always. This is Zubair Z Vlogs. Thanks for all the support and love. I really appreciate. And thanks again to Monno Ceramic. Take care guys. Bye bye. Big thumbs up, Monno.